Art is the journey of self-discovery. Let it lead you to your true essence. In the canvas of life, be the artist of your own destiny. Creativity is the key that unlocks the door to endless possibilities. Let your art be a reflection of the beauty that lies within you. With every creation, you leave a piece of your soul behind. Art is the mirror that reflects the beauty of the human experience. In the depths of your imagination, discover the treasures of your creativity. Every masterpiece begins with a single brushstroke. Embrace the blank page as a canvas for your wildest dreams. In the symphony of creation, find harmony and balance. Art is the echo of the soul. Let it resonate with the world. With every creation, you rewrite the story of your existence. Let your art be the bridge that connects hearts and minds. In the tapestry of life, weave your dreams with threads of creativity. Art is the melody of the heart. Let it sing through your creations. With every stroke, breathe life into your imagination. In the silence of creation, find the strength to speak volumes. Embrace the messiness of creation, for within chaos lies beauty. Let your art be a reflection of the beauty that surrounds you. In the dance of creation, find joy in every movement. Art is the language of the soul. Let it speak volumes. With every creation, you plant seeds of inspiration. In the canvas of life, paint your dreams with boldness and passion. Creativity is the light that illuminates the darkest corners of our minds. Let your art be a beacon of hope in a world filled with darkness. In every stroke lies the power to inspire, to uplift, to transform. Art is the mirror that reflects the beauty of the human spirit. With every creation, you breathe life into your dreams. In the silence of creation, listen to the whispers of your soul. Embrace the blank canvas as an invitation to create something extraordinary. Let your art be a reflection of your journey, a map of your soul. The world is your canvas, paint it with love and passion. In the palette of life, choose the colors that resonate with your soul. Creativity knows no boundaries. Let your imagination soar. Art is the bridge that connects us all, transcending language and culture. In the act of creation, find